Okay, it's 9:40. I had a scratch trade with BBBY. This is something I don't normally trade. Again, this is a bit out of my realm trading list of stocks compared to OTCs, but there isn't really anything too nice going on in the OTC market. This one just keeps selling off. It's trying to bounce, but this thing has like a spread. It doesn't have the most price action going on here. It's like not very consistent, not enough ticks going on. And I was looking at this one because of the fact that it did have a gap up from the previous day, which isn't the best for a long setup, but it could be something that just throws off a lot of short sellers and then they're all getting squeezed and it starts to uptrend and make a move towards the upside. I want to see if maybe this could have been a situation where if I were to have held on to the position and only have gone out if it were to actually close or open under the VWAP, that it would be something where I would still be long and then it could work out later and I'd give it more patience. But I did trade it because of the fact that it had this nice move right in the morning and everything, and it was kind of following this downtrending trend line. And then once it broke above it, I did have an interest in it for a short squeeze and a move towards the day high. And then like a continuation in the morning, like a nice breakout or something like that, especially if there are shorts who need a cover when that happens, and then it can be super cool. I didn't make anything. This was like a scratch trade. I probably um yeah, I didn't make very much, maybe like 30 pennies. I did buy 30 shares, and that was at 937, which was right here once it was starting to break above that range. I was in at 358 and a half, so right here is when I got in. And I did sell immediately a portion. Maybe if I didn't use a market order, I would have gotten a better sell. But once it was starting to work at 938, I did sell just 10 shares for a slight loss. I was trying to sell it for a slight profit, but again, that's what I get for using market orders because I got executed down here instead of in the 360s. And then I did sell just 5 shares when it was uptrending right here. And the move right here, this wick and the wick at 368. So that was a better sell. And then I had the thing in mind that, maybe it just makes this move towards the day high, but it doesn't really break past it. So I'm going to sell a piece just in case it doesn't work out. And then I got rid of the rest at 939, which was right here, the same minute actually. Once I had this move right here, which doesn't seem like anything, but when I had it, it broke under the VWAP line. So that's why I got out for that reason, maybe. Again, if I wanted to be patient and not sell unless it opens and closes under VWAP like it is right here, maybe I would have given it more of a chance. And if it were to have worked out in this case, then that would have been, something that I got to be a part of, a nice breakout. So yeah, this setup didn't really work, but it might later. And I'll continue to watch it, but that's it for Schwab because yeah, this is my day trading account. I don't have I don't have that much in this account. It's not really meant to be something I use too much to trade because I don't trade listed stocks that much. So I don't think I have any more liquidity here for trading because it is a cash account, but I still have Fidelity and yeah, I'll just keep looking at it. That's pretty much the only thing I'm looking at. I don't really see anything else that's too interesting for me right now. Okay, it's 11:32 p.m. and I'm here to call it off. It's another scratch day, just 39 pennies, one trade with BBBY, and I could have done better. I just could have simply have sold with limit orders because there were some times when I wanted to sell just portions of the position, and it was supposed to be a profit, but because I just had bad sales for having market orders, it was a loss. Anyway, that was a trade right here, and it didn't really work out. It did continue to close under VWAP and sell off, and it never really came back to the day high. So that was a situation when that setup didn't work out. This is a double top right here. Kind of hard to see now because it's been trading, a lot more since that screenshots. That's it for today. There wasn't really anything else that I was interested in terms of OTC setups or other listed stocks. Yeah, nothing really too nice. I guess a higher low off of VWAP, but no, I'm not too interested in it. I do want to see, however, if it can downtrend and try to make a shoulder for inverse head and shoulders. That's it for today.